Everything wrapped in plastic. Some instructions. At least there are instructions. Some of these other boxes and things I get, such as that aluminum roof rack, didn't come with any. Alright, let's pull all this out. That's everything in the box. We've got the ball that you sit on. This is a pump, okay. Just a manual hand pump, I would guess at this point. Casters, and then the base, and the instructions. At first when I looked at this, I thought this was one of those extension arms underneath regular chairs, but that is a pump. With the plastic off, these are the pieces. Be careful when you're throwing away the plastic wrap that these small parts aren't accidentally tossed. Fortunately, this piece is taped onto here, so that wouldn't be lost. And the next step is to take a look at the instructions. It seems pretty obvious how these pieces go together, but I'll take a look at that little pamphlet there. And these little parts, this black piece screws onto the top of the pump, and then the white piece is just a plug for that ball. That ball inflates very easily. There's not a real good guide on how much to inflate that ball. The instructions just say to inflate it until very firm. So I guess some trial and error will be involved. And of course those casters will get it up a little bit higher. So there you go. Top piece just slides in and gets bolted on to the bottom with two of these guys. Those get tightened hand tight. These casters just slide in, and these have little locks on them too. For this metal wire that keeps that ball from popping out, they've included 4 nuts. One of them goes here, and then the other tightens up at the base. But the paint kind of blocked this, so I've got a pair of vice grips on here. It's kind of helped us along. It does come with a little wrench, but those wrenches are usually pretty feeble, but it'll work. And that's the ball chair. It's actually extremely comfortable. I'd like another couple inches higher. I think there are some extension kits. A little bit higher would help. I'm typical height, around 5'9", and it's plenty high for me. Again, I'd like it just a little bit higher. Definitely move around a little bit more than in a standard chair, and the back support does provide more back support than I thought it would. Sit up totally straight and lean back just a touch. Thanks for watching.